What is the first thing that you do?
Put it in my bank.
What is the first thing you do when you receive your money? What do you think about doing with your money?
I save.
You save all of it?
Yes.
Okay. I understand. So you don't need to purchase anything? No? You're looking at me. If you would like, sometimes you do. Okay. What do you do? What's the first thing you think about when you receive your allowance? You put it. You have it in your piggy bank until you're older. Okay, good. So you're saving. What about you, Zia?
I put it in my bank account until I get a little older.
So you all are saving until you're older. What about you? What do you do with your allowance?
Put it in my bank account.
In your bank account. Okay, that's awesome. Now, is the allowance something that you've earned or something that your parents just gives to you? Who earns their allowance? What do you have to do to receive allowance? Do your chores. What do you have to do? Your chores. What do you have to do? Can't hear you. Speak louder.
Well, she really gives me to it when I lose a tooth.
When you what?
When I lose a tooth.
When you lose a tooth, so you're kind of beyond that. Do you still receive allowance?
Yes, miss.
So what do you have to do to receive the allowance? Is it something they just give to you, or do you have to earn it?
I clean the house.
You clean the house, so you've earned it. So they pay you to clean the house. Yes. You have to do well in football. Great job. Hi, how are you? Okay, so question. Does anybody ever think about tithing once you receive your money?
Yes, miss.
I know, I'm talking about this because I know that this is a Christian academy. Am I correct?
Yes.
So it's okay to talk about that. So when you receive money that you have earned, the first thing you should do is consider tithing, meaning giving 10%. That's what the Bible says, right? 10% back to your church, to a non-profit organization, to some sort of charity. When you earn money, it should not be all about you. You should first think about giving back. There should always be a give back component when you have earned money. That's called income. And so, because this is a Christian-based academy, the Bible says of your first fruit, you must give back 10%. Okay? So it's important for you to do that. Some of you are saving everything. That's one thing. That's fine. But make sure you get that 10% to give back. Do we all attend church? Who attends church? Okay. So any of you who receive money because you've earned it, your first thing, if you have $10, what is 10% of $10? What is 10% of $10? No, that's 50%. $5 is 50%. $1. So what? So $1 should be going into the tithes envelope. It should be going to charity. It should not all go to you. Even though this money is yours, some people need a portion of it. The church, charity, less fortunate folks, the underprivileged, something, somewhere, someone. So it's good practice to not keep all of your money to yourself. Always think about, who can I contribute some funds to? Not all of it, because you give 10%, 90% is to pay your bills, buy what you need, and save. Okay? All right? And it makes you seem like somebody who cares about other people rather than just yourself. So I run a business. I run 3 different businesses. I monthly, I return my tithes. Because when you give, anything you give can come back to you in different ways. You give money, something else may come back to you in different ways. It should not just be about you and what you can gain. We can't just take and take in life. We have to sometimes give. Does that make sense? Does that make sense, everybody? And it's not that you're losing money, you're helping people. So it's not just about you. So, we have 10 minutes. Okay, so we have some stuff over here that you can buy. Really? Can't even see that. All right, so we have a stuff that, who goes shopping and who actually buys with their own money? Sometimes? Okay, to come up here. I'm going to give you all some money. Okay? Let's see the prices over there. Ooh. $10. What? This is what? $20 bill, of course. It's not $20, it's a $20 bill. $20 would be $21 bills. So you want to use the right terminology. So this is not $20. This is a $20 bill. Okay? What is this?
A $10 bill.
Okay, and I'm sure you know the rest. So I'm going to go around and give you all some money to go shopping. No, you won't be able to take them home. You're just going shopping for the class, okay? All right, so here's $20. You're welcome. Welcome, 30. You big bucks. 25. You're welcome. You're welcome. I'm just going to do some of you randomly. Oops, pick that up for me, please. Is that how I taught you to pick up? Remember, always pick up on the side. Okay, thank you. All right, you hold on to that. All right. Here you go. You're welcome. Here you go. You're welcome. You all are loaded. You're welcome. You're welcome. All right, here you go. Did I give you some money? Here you go. You're welcome. Who did not receive any? Okay. You're welcome. All right, it's time to go shopping. Remember, you can't take them home. You don't like shopping? What? Okay, girl, I love shopping, especially with other people's money. All right, table over here. I'd like you to come. I'd like you all to come. Pay attention to the amount of money you have, okay? If you could go around. Pay attention to the amount of money you have. You all have to decide. This stuffed animal is $10. Shouldn't be any talking. Pet should be faced. $1, that's pretty cheap. 2 packs of pencils, $4. There should be no talking, just listen. Oh, that's expensive water. Okay, so here's what you all have to have. Have a seat, please. Or here's what you all have to consider. Good evening. You have to consider. I can't see. I need you two to come around here, please. Come around here. Come around here. So, this is a half bottle of water. And the cost is $2. It can easily be in an airport or somewhere, right? Is it worth buying this half a bottle of water, 8-ounce water for $2?
No.
So we have to be wise with our purchase, right?
Yes.
I would never buy an 8-ounce bottle of water for $2. That is crazy. That means I need to take a ride over to Walmart where it's cheaper, where it's less expensive. So just because someone says pay this for a product doesn't mean you have to buy it, because there are other places that have it. So I want to see who's actually going to buy this bottle of water. Okay? Now, a clipboard. $20 for this. What? And it happens. So let's see who needs it badly. Okay? All right. Keep in mind of the money that you have in your pocket. All right? Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Purchase an item. You may have change or you may not. Let's see how you're going to shop. Okay? We're going to do a bunch of these. All right, let's go. Go shopping. Pay attention to the money you have.
No, this is cheap. So cheap. This is so cheap.
They're so cheap. They're taking forever to buy.
This is so cheap. I guess. Take that. Take that.
That's okay.
Take it.
Oh, you can't take all of it now. You're only taking one. It's $1. Okay, so you just want to use $1. Okay. All right. Did you receive your item? Which one are you going to buy? Okay. All right. Have a seat, everybody. Okay. So how much money do you have? Come up here. How much money? Actually, you all line up right here. How much money do you have?
$25.
Don't stand in front of her. Line up, please. So you have $25. Now the stuffed animal cost you how much? $10. How much do you have left? 6. How much do you have left? Look, no guessing. You can't see it up there. You have to actually look at your money. Give me $10 for the stuffed animal, please. How much do you have left? You have $15 left. Okay. What are you going to do with that $15?
I'll save it.
Save it. Okay. We're going to assume you already gave your 10% to church, right? Okay. What about you? How much was that fabulous book?
$30.
$30. And how much did you spend? And how much do you have?
30.
So she spent every dime she had. Is that wise?
No.
What should you have done?
Left 10% for the church.
And what else? And save. Yes. So we never ever use every dime we have just to buy some product. We must save, we must give back, and then we purchase what we would like. So that was not a wise purchase. Do you agree? What should you have done?
I should have saved some money, and I should have given some to the church.
Or to a charity, right? And then go and buy a book, right? Good job. So lesson learned. What about you?
I bought these two pack of pencils for $4.
And how much money did you have?
$40.
$40. Okay, so how much do you have left?
36.
36. Is that a good buy?
Yes.
Good job. So what are you going to do with the rest?
I save them and
Look
give.
at me in the eyes.
I save and give some to
Good
charity.
Save some, give some to charity, and then buy your little stuff, right? Good job, good job. Zia, what did you purchase?
I got one pack of pencils.
And the cost of that is?
$1.
$1. And you had a total of how many? How much money? Can't hear you. Okay, so you had a total of $11 and you have $10 left. Is that a good buy? Good job. All right. Okay, good job, everyone. Now, next week, we're going to trickle over and have more do it. I just wanted you all to get the feeling of having this money and understanding how to wisely use it. One of the most important things, never forget to give back. Everybody got that? Give it back.